Hello, good morning, and welcome to Here Today, Where Tomorrow. Today, a room tour, 9461. This is a balcony stateroom aboard the Carnival Magic. It's pretty much like every other balcony in most of Carnival's fleet, save for some of the bigger ones. As you see, you got 3 closets. The first 2 have hanging storage. The third one does have shelves, but the shelves actually lift up on a hinge and lock out of the way, so you can technically have 3 hanging storage cabinets. You also see you have some extra bedding there at the bottom, then a full-length mirror to admire the glory that is that handsome devil himself. Peace up, A-Town down, my good sir. Alright, you got a vanity here, another shot of that big boy. Telephone, desk area, some water, because we were on here for 8 days, we thought we would die. Queen-size bed as usual. The couch that does turn into a bed. We did bring Madison's pack and play, so we didn't actually use that, kept it as a couch, which was nice. Stateroom bathroom is pretty much your standard stateroom bathroom. I don't mind Carnival shower. I'm a pretty big guy, and I can shower adequately in their showers, no problem at all. Thermostat on the wall there, doesn't really do much. As you can see, we do have the decorations for Madison's 2nd birthday. At the desk here, you have some paperwork and your laundry bags there. That first one has your hair dryer and a couple of empty drawers there. Of course, you have your fridge, which is never really cold, so if you actually need to keep things like medication cold, this is not the thing for you. I have heard that sometimes if you leave that door open and pull the unit away from the wall, it will get a little bit cooler because you're allowing it to breathe. Here you have a safe. Madison loves pushing all the buttons because they make a lot of beeping noises. There's your remote control, which sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. Obviously, like we talked about earlier, this couch does turn into a bed, but we left it as a couch because we had Madison's pack and play, so that was really nice to be able to walking around. You got lights on both sides of the bed. You have a little dresser drawer there. I don't know what you would put in there. Honestly, I have no idea what you would put in there. I've never, ever, in all the cruises I've been in, ever put anything there. Oh, there's that boy again. Hey, sexy mama. So this is an adjoining room. We don't know who the other people were on the other side of the door, but they sounded really nice, and I hope they don't mind that Madison cried a couple of times, but, you know, when in France, do as the Romans don't, right? Isn't that what they say? As you can see, we got our glorious decorations again. Happy birthday, Jesus. Oh, and the pièce de résistance, which is the balcony of the balcony stateroom, the whole name of the stateroom. Glorious balcony. So we were, after the ship, starboard side, which was real nice. I love being starboard when you're leaving Port Canaveral because you get to see a lot more as you're leaving port. You'll see in the first video, which I'll tag right here, where we did our sail away. We got to pass the Mardi Gras and get dwarfed by how large the Mardi Gras is. Anyways, this was a quick and dirty tour of 9461, a balcony stateroom that is a Category 8D aboard the Carnival Magic.